Hey gardeners, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the unexpected. You won't believe how many household items can be used to improve your garden. That's right. Today, I'll be sharing 10 surprising gardening ideas using household items you never knew about. These hacks will save you money and take your garden to the next level. Let's get started. If you're a coffee lover, don't throw away those coffee grounds. They're rich in nitrogen, a key nutrient for healthy plant growth. Just sprinkle them around your plants, especially vegetables like tomatoes and peppers, for a nutrient boost. Bonus, they can also repel pests like slugs and snails. Here's another kitchen waste hack: eggshells. Rich in calcium, crushed eggshells help prevent blossom end rot in plants like tomatoes. Just crush them up and mix them into your soil or sprinkle them around the base of your plants. They even help deter pests like slugs. Have an empty milk carton lying around? Turn it into a mini greenhouse. Cut off the bottom and place it over young seedlings to protect them from frost and harsh weather while keeping the heat in. It's a great way to extend your growing season. Tip number 4. Vinegar as weed killer. Vinegar isn't just for cleaning, it's a powerful, all-natural weed killer. Mix it with water and spray it on weeds between your garden paths or driveways. Just be careful. It'll kill anything it touches, so avoid your beloved plants. Tip number 5. Banana peels for rose fertilizer. Banana peels are rich in potassium, making them a perfect natural fertilizer for roses. Bury a peel near the base of your rose bush, and it'll slowly release nutrients that help your roses bloom bigger and brighter. Tip number 6. Plastic bottles for self-watering planters. Got a plastic bottle? Turn it into a self-watering planter. Simply cut a bottle in half, poke holes in the cap, and fill the top part with soil and plants. The bottom half will hold water, ensuring your plants stay hydrated without overwatering. It's perfect for those busy days. Tip number 7. Old sponges for moisture control in pots. Don't throw out those old kitchen sponges. Place them at the bottom of your pots to retain moisture and prevent water from draining too quickly. They act like a moisture reservoir, helping your plants stay hydrated longer. Tip number 8. Cinnamon to prevent fungus. Cinnamon isn't just for baking, it's a natural fungicide. Sprinkle a little cinnamon over your seed trays to prevent damping off disease, a fungal issue that can kill your seedlings before they even get started. Tip number 9. Newspaper as weed barrier. Don't let those old newspapers go to waste. Use them as a weed barrier in your garden. Lay them down between plants, cover with mulch, and they'll decompose naturally while blocking out unwanted weeds. Tip number 10. Baking soda to sweeten tomatoes. Want sweeter tomatoes? Sprinkle baking soda around the base of your tomato plants. It lowers the acidity of the soil, which helps the fruit develop a sweeter flavor. Give it a try and taste the difference. And there you have it. 10 surprising gardening ideas using household items that will make your garden thrive. Not only are these tips budget-friendly, but they also help you recycle and repurpose items you already have at home. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your gardening friends, and hit that subscribe button for more gardening hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!